In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fusion 360 to create a chamfered edge. So that's like a bevel or an angle. And I'm also going to show you how to create a radius edge, also called a fillet. So let's start out with the chamfer. On this part, I want to chamfer on all four of these corners. All right, all the top edges of the part. If I click on Modify, we have a chamfer tool right here. It says bevels the edge of a solid or surface body by removing material from the exterior edges or adding material to the interior edges. Okay, so I click chamfer, and then I'm going to go use my mouse and hover over each one of these edges and click it. So I'm selecting this edge, selecting that edge, selecting that edge. 4 mouse clicks, and I see that I get 4 edges. Now I've got to give it the size. So how much of a distance do we want for the chamfer? So I'm going to put it at 0.05, 50 thousandths of an inch. And you can see that it instantly beveled all those edges. So that's pretty much how that works. You can also do it for the inside edge of something if you wanted. So modify, chamfer, and let's click this edge right here and make that 0.03. Hit enter, and now I've got a chamfer on the inside edge, so a little bevel. All right, so let's say now I want to round off some edges instead of having that sharp bevel. So let's go on the opposite side. I'm going to go modify, fillet. That rounds the edges of a solid body by adding material to the interior edges and removing material from exterior edges. So we select the edges just like we did with the other tool. So click on the fillet tool. I'm going to select these 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, all those outside edges, the 4 chosen. And I want to give it a radius value. Specify the radius value in that little box right there that's there. I'm going to put 0.125. See what happens. That's a 1/8 radius. So you can see what it does. It rounds off all those edges. And click OK. All right, so that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward using the chamfer tool for the beveled edge. And that's under modify, right? Chamfer. And also under modify is fillet for doing the rounded edges.